straight through. Our greatest gift was you. Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest day. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. Here in my house, the ways of your past don't define you. Fallen from the dust of this earth, true purpose was birthed. There is no promise that can be undone. I loved you that much that I deemed you worthy to receive my son. You saved me from the ways of this world, where Messiah reigns, everlasting love dwells. The one who is and will always remain. The wonders of Christ I still fail to explain. Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest day. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah.
So much sorrow, but we've had hope and the joy of tomorrow. We've had so much pain and we've shared so much sorrow, but we've had hope and the joy of tomorrow. God, we've been made up for the night, yeah, yeah. We've been made up for the night, yeah. Your joy will come in the morning light. We've been made up for the night, yeah, yeah. We've been made up for the night, yeah. Your joy, it will come in the morning light. Just make it through tonight. Up to the dreams it's already stitched. For the time to be criticized.
Soon as I stop worrying on my story ends, and I let go, and I let go. That's when things start happening, and I stop looking at back. Let go, 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 let go. Oh, why can't you let go of the pressure of living up to their standards? For they were not there when the Father formed you in his hands. Cause he has a plan, he has your life in his hands. Just because you haven't seen it doesn't mean it's not there. Cause I know you tried it on your own, but you can't walk alone. You kept it all inside, it's time to let it go. So let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. I made a friend and you was shy, but I'm letting you go. Evil touch, I take my mind, couldn't let him have control. Anxiety tried to make a home. You need to pack your bags and go. I'm making way for the
8 p.m. I'm stalling. 12 a.m. I'm waiting for your call. Yeah. Lord, I'm tired of running. Yeah. Cause every time I run, I seem to fall. Yeah. I wanna go back.